enjoy the rest of the wild.
Sponsor!
Heading to Safari, Cebu Safari. Yay! Ang driver, oh. Audi day. Brad. Cebu Safari.
Good afternoon, Cebu
Safari. Yes.
Opat may kabok.
Lagi tuyo na siguro nito bigyo kay nanay ko ano. Something.
Something alcohol siguro.
Ano ba? May something mo tuyo ito. Doko yung sir, oy.
Happy birthday.
Yay. Safari camp.
Oh, sige.
Ah, okay.
Picture me ako sa
Cebu Safari. Yay. Kare,
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Sakyan na sir.
Ay, ibili nila. Ah.
Biscuit ko.
Ito din na siya.
Sobra ng manok.
Uy, butang na ito.
Asan?
Sa Wala, daray.
Ano libi? Dalawa na ibig.
Ayaw. Yay. Ang entrance and tickets. Kagya mo magkano ba iya? Na ay regular ticket. Package B and package A. Oh. Tag 1-3 per person for weekends and holidays. Weekdays is 1-1. 1-1 ra siya.
Oh, 1-1 ang holidays.
For weekdays.
So 4-4. 6. No problem.
Okay. Thanks.
Abot pa, miss. Abot pa.
Alright. Perfect. Ay, sama. Hindi na naman. Excited.
Why? That's the door.
Yay.
Yes. Yes.
Alright. Timing nga ay.
And your host for today, Mr. KJ.
Hi, mabuhay and bilang. So white velvet sea is wearing a thick gloves to protect himself from the sharp and pointed talons of the bird. So Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Considered as a medium-sized raptor that can grow from 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. I'm Miss Jihan, and yours truly, my name is KJ, and to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Thank you so much everyone, we hope you enjoyed the show, and enjoy the rest of the wild. And to those who haven't been to the White Lion Safari, African Savannah,
At the jungle.
Alfonso!
Look! Yo!
Alfonso! Ayaw, di ma!
Yahoo! Uy! Tubuan mo eh. Yay! Yay! Mau ba? Saray sila.
Sunset, come here, picture. Ari na.
30 to 34.
Ari ka na.
What?
Kiss it.
Critically endangered. Oh, good money.
Onset me. The outpost. Yep. Come on. Come on. Yep. Right. Look, nice there. We are here live at Baguio City.
City of Pines.
Nagkakaroon dito kong Bagyo. Basta mag-post ko ang mutay Bagyo. Welcome to Bagyo. Bagyo City, no?
Oo ba? Kuya Sagid.
Unsay mo sa rin?
Baby, stay there. He's here. Look at me, look at me.
Hacienda M. Lulie. Yes. Nice car. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh. Okay. Crocodiles. There. Dami nila.
Ibilin mo diri. Puro mo puno kap buaya. Isipin mo daw diri.
Ay, naidagan sa basketball court diha na.
Daghan yung mga politiko lagi ng buaya.
The court, please avoid standing while the tram is moving. Secure and hold on to the grab bars. Do not use flash photography and selfie stick, and do not stick your arms and hands outside of them. Eating season, the male will perform unusual dance move to attract the female. And if you're familiar with the movie Lion King, they were the one who accidentally killed King Mufasa due to stampede scene. So again, ma'am sir, those are the blessed buck, gemsbuck or oryx gazelle, and the group of wildebeest.
Okay. Wala pa.
And to your left side, ma'am sir, our highlight here in African savanna, zebra. Black in color with white.
Anak ba mo nga, di mo garahan? Naaram din na oh. Smile. Oh, video na ha.
Ana.
Kanan,
Alayo kay laron. Ato.
kanan.